Dear colleagues, my name is Amin Kalaaji from Oslo, Norway. I'm looking so much forward to meet you all in Cape Town in South Africa later this month for your great official ISAPS course. You have a huge tradition in doing wonderful meetings, including ISAPS courses, and I still remember that one just before COVID. I had so amazing memory with you all, with the discussion, with your motivation for attending so great meetings. This year, I'm very thankful for Eva and also Peter and all the organizing committee for inviting me again together with outstanding faculty from all over the world to discuss with you the latest update in aesthetic surgery. I will be very happy to share my experience in many topics in BBL, breast and face and other topics, and looking forward again to meet you soon. Take care.